TNUSRBSI 2023 Apply online link active. The online application for 621 sub-inspector posts in Tamil Nadu Uniformed Services Recruitment Board starts on 1 June 2023. Eligible candidates can apply for the TNUSRBSI post on the official website at tanusrb.tn.gov.in. A total of 621 plus 128 SI vacancies have been announced. The TNUSRBSI Recruitment 2023 online application process will begin on 1 June 2023 and the last date to apply online is 30 June 2023. TNUSRBSI Notification 2023. TNUSRB has notified 621 plus 128 vacancies for both male and female candidates for the SI post in Tamil Nadu Police Department on short notice. The eligibility criteria in terms of age limit, qualification, and physical standards are mentioned below. Candidates should be citizens of India. They must be of sound mind, health and body. They must know reading, speaking, and writing the Tamil language. The age limit for the sub-inspector post is 20 to 30 years. The selection process consists of the following stages: written test, certificate verification and physical tests, viva voce, special marks. The TNUSRBSI salary is Rs. 36,900 minus 1, 16,600 per month.